Christmas is getting near! Christmas stalls are everywhere, and so Mom and her friends opened one too. But that's not all. Mom was also asked to do a cooking show. She decided to involve her two friends. Today, in the cooking show, Mom will show you how to make fusilli with tomatoes, fresh arugula, and ripened ricotta. Get ready with the ingredients! This video is going to be a bit different. I want to tell you how the cooking show went and at the same time teach you the recipe in a fun way. One of the most amusing scenes was the initial fight between the chefs over who would get the biggest hat. The audience certainly all understood that it was not a simple cooking show, but it would be fun.
Ciao a tutti! I am Toni. Today I want to prepare a simple dish. Pasta with fresh tomato, Arucola and
Ripened ricotta.
this dish is very simple and quickly to prepare. Let's start. The ingredients are...
I'm not sure who's better at talking in English, but for sure, together they make a comedy movie. The main ingredients are fusilli, Arucola, ripened ricotta, cherry tomato, and chili. Now that we have everything, let's start.
Chef Natasha, mi aiuti? Mi aiuti? Ok, inizia a cucinare la pasta.
Before making your sauce, fill up a pan with water for the pasta. Doing this, you can save a lot of time. Now, let's make the sauce. Get a big pan.
Assistant Paola, please take the pan. Here. Don't look at that.
Put extra virgin olive oil in the pan. Please do not use cheap oil for this dish. Turn on the burner at high fire. When you hear the oil sizzling, crush the garlic clove and stir fry it. Whoa, the smell is so nice! Wait a minute, the stove is on fire!
Ready? No!
Alright, we are safe. Now let's continue with the sauce. Add chili pepper and the tomatoes in the pan. Add salt and stir fry. Whoa! They put a lot of effort to make people understand how to quickly cook this pasta. They even made manual subtitles together. It was able to make everyone laugh. You may have even understood her. When the water boils, add salt. Wait until the water boils again.
What is the step? First step, Paola.
First
Step is check the cooking time inside the packaging of pasta. Boiler water, put salt. Boiler water again, put pasta. And when the water boiler again, you stir
and you cover.
Paola now to pound in the ricotta.
Ricotta, no.
Yes, smelly. Yes,
I don't like ricotta.
Chef Natasha.
Okay, please.
Now it's time to putting the Arucola.
Remember to check the cooking time written on the pasta packaging. You need to drain the pasta around 3 minutes before this time. Because as Mom is doing, you need to finish cooking it in the pan with the condiment if you really want it to be good. Better if we sing a song together until the pasta is cooked.
Time written on the pasta packaging. Con la chitarra in mano.
Put the pasta in the condiment.
Hungry and angry.
water that you take from the pasta pot and put in the pan needs to be very hot. It will add a creamy texture to the dish. We are almost done. We add the grated ricotta. Add extra for a taste boost.
Who are angry here? Who want to eat? Who want to eat it? Guys, the pasta is ready. Come in here.
If you liked Mom's cooking show, contact us for more. But don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episodes of Toni's Home, where every day is a sunny day.
So delicious.
Don't forget to watch and every of her video next time, okay? Yeah. Click subscribe and don't forget to like the video.
Yeah.
Most amazing pasta I've ever had in my life.
I know you're the best chef. Prego. She is the best.
Thank you so much.